Hello everyone, so sorry about the audio quality in today's video. My mic is charging right now. We're going to find averages today, and it is possibly one of the most simple things to do when it comes to statistics, and it's somewhat kind of fun to always find what the average is of something. So we're going to define what average is first. And bear with me because the explanation might be a little bit more complicated than what we're actually doing. So, the average is the total value of all samples divided by the number of samples. And that would tell us the average. A sample can really be anything. So it could be money, could be things, it could be measurements. Those are all things that could be samples of something. So in this case, I'm just going to make up something like test scores. So let's say there are 3 students. Student 1, student 2, student 3, and Bob. Okay, so student 1 scores 12 points. Student 2 scores 11 points. Student 3 scores 9 points. And Bob scores 18 points. Okay, so these are the test scores, but we want to find out what the average is. So what we're going to do is we're going to add up the sum of these test scores, and then we're going to divide it by the total number of samples. So this is a sample, student 1, this is a sample, student 2, this is a sample, and this is a sample. So we'll have 4 total samples. Well, I know that 11 and 9 makes 20. I know that 12 and 18 makes 30. So I have 50 total. So now I just need to take my total number, which is 50, divided by the number of samples. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I do 50 divided by 4, it would eventually come out to be 12 and a half. So my average score for these students is 12 and a half. Let's say you came across a different problem that has to do with money. So let's say we have Bob again. And Bob wants to work this week. He wants to work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Those are the days that Bob wants to work. So each day, Bob is going to earn a different amount of money based on his performance. So on Monday, he earns $30.60. On Tuesday, he earns $21.10. On Wednesday, he earns $14.88. Thursday, he earns $48.90, and on Friday he earns $67.10. So, in order to find out what his average pay is, per day, we need to add up these numbers. So maybe I'll just adjust this to line it up a little bit better to help me so I can do some addition. 67, 15. Okay, so the total that he earned this week is $182.58. That's the total he earned. But we want to know how much money he earned per day on average. So we have our 182, and we divide it by the number of days, the number of samples. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I just quickly do some long division. Okay. So on average, he's going to earn $36.51 as his average